In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix common mistakes in QuickBooks Online for accountants using a laptop. By the end, you'll know how to pinpoint issues, correct individual entries, clean up batches of misclassified transactions, and verify that your reports reflect accurate results. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online Accountant on your laptop. Make sure you're in the right firm file and that you have access to the client you're working on. Once you're in, select the client company you want to work on, so every action you take applies to the correct books. From the left navigation menu, click Reports. Before we start fixing anything, it's helpful to understand what changed and when. Open the audit log to see all recent activity. This view shows you entries that were added, modified, or deleted, and it helps you spot mistakes such as wrong accounts, incorrect amounts, or transactions that were removed. Use what you find here as your roadmap for the cleanup. If you find a wrong transaction, go to Accounting and open Chart of Accounts. Locate the account that contains the incorrect transaction. Open that transaction so you can edit it directly. Carefully correct the amount, the account it posts to, the date, or the customer or vendor tied to it. When everything looks right, save the changes. This preserves the correction and updates the ledgers that feed your reports. If the issue is that multiple transactions are misclassified, use tools designed for batch corrections. Click Accountant Tools and choose Reclassify Transactions. Select the transactions with errors, choose the correct account, and click Apply. This is a fast and consistent way to move groups of entries to the right place without opening them one by one. Review your selections before applying to ensure you're only adjusting what needs to move. For reconciliation errors, go to Accounting and click Reconcile. Select the account you're reconciling, then review the transactions in question. Compare what you see with the source statement and correct amounts or dates as needed so they align. Small date or amount mismatches can throw off an entire reconciliation, so take a moment to confirm each change before proceeding. After you've made your corrections, rerun the relevant reports like profit and loss or balance sheet to confirm everything is accurate. Look for balances that now make sense, accounts that reflect proper classification, and totals that tie to your reconciliations. If something still looks off, revisit the audit log and repeat the correction process where necessary. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.